Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, trading from the beaches of Mexico, bringing you my latest MT4 color-coded trading system I call Neon Breakout. This trading system specializes in trading retracements, and you'll be able to easily see multiple entries and sell trades. And I've drawn some vertical red and green lines to show you my sell and buy entries and the number of pips that come from it. In the bottom window I have a special MACD indicator, which is my volatility indicator. It also shows trend, and whenever the yellow line crosses the red zero signal line of the MACD indicator, that tells you your exit of all trades, all positions. So this is a very easy trading system for either newbies or for veteran traders. It makes the entries and exits really easy to see. I'll be teaching you in the PDF with videos how to trade the retracements. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this new trading system of mine.